Hi, this is Tim from latest3dsgames.com, and I'm here with another unboxing, a bit of a surprise one, because I wasn't expecting to pick this one up. It was supposed to come out months ago, and I think it's been out for a while in the US, but it suddenly appeared in the shop, and apparently it came out last week in the UK, so I bought it. And if you're wondering where I got all my money from, well, at the moment I have to say some of it's come from my redundancy. Unfortunately I had to swap jobs recently, so I've spent a tiny little bit of that money on a couple of games, obviously to keep you updated with the latest games, and I'll probably get Star Fox as well next week. And then I'm afraid I'm going to have to hang on to the rest of my cash for a while to pay the mortgage and bills whilst I try and settle into my new job. So, boring bit aside, on with the unboxing, and whilst I'm flicking around yabbering about my boring life, I will just show you the back of the box. So there's actually 6 games in this. There's the main 2, I would guess, Pac-Man Tilt and Galaga 3D Impact, and then there's 4 older remade titles: Pac-Man Championship Edition, Classic Pac-Man, Galaga Legions and Galaga Original, and they've been reworked into 3D. And also there's a never seen before 3D animated Pac-Man movie. So, all sounds pretty good. My box wasn't sealed, I've no idea why, but I've got this strange new setup of a sealed bag with a rather fancy looking instruction booklet. And it's all new and sealed, so I'm not quite sure why they've done it like this. Still very difficult to unbox. Should be here a while. Oh, here we go. So, I was assured, don't worry, the game's in there, and there it is. So I think my points are in there as well. Not quite sure why Namco decided to do that, but there you go. So we're going to get on and have a quick look at the game in a minute. And there you can see Pac-Man Tilt, Galaga 3D Impact, and just the basic instructions and controls, etc. Different game modes. So we're going to get on into the game and have a quick look at the different Pac-Man and Galagas on it. Okay, so we'll just go straight into the game now. And just have a very quick look at some of the gameplay. And just going to save the data, just to see what it looks like. Okay, and a pretty groovy start. Okay, just skip the rest of that. So I'm just going to tilt the bottom screen up so you got your choices. Pac-Man Tilt. Pac-Man, the original one. Oh no, sorry. Championship Edition. And then across to the original one. Then we've got Pac-Man 3D movie. Score ranking. Galaga. I'll go back to the bottom screen. So Classic Galaga. Galaga Legions. And a new 3D one, Galaga 3D Impact. So Pac-Man Tilt, we'll go and have a quick look at that now. Now I'm going to zoom out because I think I'm going to be doing some tilting. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just have a quick go at Pac-Man Tilt. Now obviously there's some tilting involved, but I'll show you that in another video. I just want to run through and just show you the 6 different games if I've got time. So let's just jump straight into the first one. Actually have the 3D on then for a minute. So you can tilt to get around obstacles. I've had a tiny little go on it already. And to get into things and over things and all that sort of stuff. But I can do a little bit of the control just by normally doing it. And obviously that's going to be easier to video. So you can roll into a ball and go through stuff. Looks pretty good actually. Now if we come to the first one, you can see it tilting, and you can tilt to make those go fast. I'll just zoom out a tiny bit. There you go, you can see now I'm making the oops, fail that. Platform swing faster to get over to the other side. So that's obviously why it's called Pac-Man Tilt. Oh, fail again. So this is obviously just Pac-Man Tilt. And like I said, it's a real quick look. So I'm going to now dive into the next one. So we're going to leave that one there and we're going to have a look at the other. Okay, so we've got Pac-Man Championship Edition. Just going to have a real quick look at that one. So this is going to be very familiar. To everyone, I'm sure. So that's the Championship Edition. And I'm gonna just have a real quick look now at the basic Pac-Man edition next. So we're on to Pac-Man himself. Let's just have a quick look at that one. There's a picture of the arcade. Oh, here we go. We're in the arcades. Whoa. There you go. Pretty good representation there of the cabinet. I like that. Oh, there you go. See, I was never even any good at that. So those are the 3 games you got, and obviously I'm not going to take too much notice of the Pac-Man games at the moment for the channel, but I will obviously look more in depth at Pac-Man Tilt, which looks pretty good. So let's leave that one there. And we'll go on to the Galaga games. Oh, and just as I left that one, you actually, just to show you, actually get a choice of Pac-Man machines, which is quite a nice little feature. Very nicely implemented there. And so let's just move on to the next game. I might be able to do it through the start menu. No, I can't. Okay, so we're on to Galaga 3D Impact now. Obviously without the 3D. Oh, so this could be pretty difficult for me to do, but I'll try and show you anyway. Okay, so you can see you've got to move the system to point the crosshairs. Okay, well I'm not holding it correctly, so this isn't really going to work, but again, I'll show it better in another video. move the system. I'm not going to be doing that because it's just too difficult. Looking okay. I don't think it's going to be a Star Fox beta at all, obviously, but it'll be interesting to see how it plays. You can see the Galaga enemies, familiar enemies. It'll be interesting to see how it plays in 3D and with me holding it properly, ignoring all the instructions. So I'll leave that one there, and I'm just going to have a very quick look at the other Galaga. Okay, and my video camera's going to run out, so there's Galaga Legions and Classic Galaga. I'll probably just show you this one because I'm literally going to run out of time. Come on. Okay. A couple of different options in there.
Welcome, 033830. Execute GSI. Confirming emergency. Galaga formation approaching. Intercept immediately. I repeat, intercept immediately.
Okay, I don't think I've played this version before. Again, it'll be interesting to play it in 3D. Well, I seem to drive very quickly there. Ooh. Okay. Good old school shoot 'em up type stuff there. See if I can clear this lot off. Okay, let's just have a quick look at the other Galaga. Okay, and finally, just before I run out of tape, it might suddenly go dead. Classic Galaga, and again, you've got choice of your different arcade machines, which is rather nice. Let's choose the tabletop, and away you go. Authentic sounds as well. So it's looking quite a nice game, although obviously some old school stuff in here. The other two games look pretty reasonable, and I'm looking forward especially to the Pac-Man tilt. So that's just a quick look, although it's turned out to be quite a long look, at the Pacman Galaga game. So I'll be back with some more very soon. It's been Tim at latest3dsgames.com. Thanks for watching.